Hello guys, there we have a Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen and your operating system in this phone. So we start from the widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on empty place on the home screen and choose widgets. Then look for the app that you want to add the widget. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and just hold any widget and drop it into the right place. If you want to resize it, just use that little edges, but if you want to remove it, hold the finger again, hold it and slide up to the remove, and that's it. If you want to make a folder, just hold any app, drop into another, and you can see that you have a folder. Now you can change the name of this folder in this place, but if you want to remove this folder, just take out all of the apps, like this one. Now, the next one, just hold the finger again and go to the personalize. Then we are in the place where you can change the wallpaper. You can also change the theme, like this one or this one. You can also change the font of your system, and of course the color. You can see now we have a green options. Now we can change it to the purple, like here. You can also change the icon shape, like this one. And now there we have a new icon shape. The next one, you can change the layout to change the amount of the application, the rows and the column of your home screen. And you can also change the fingerprint animation. There you have 3 options for that. Just keep the selected, the desired one, and go back. And you can also change the style of your clock. You can also edit it by adding the weather widget. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.